Here we are at Beedelup Falls. Alright, let's try again. Kept turning off. Maybe it's too cold for the battery to work. So here we go. We're at Beedelup Falls. Old lady's already run down there. So let's run down. Scared it's going to pour. It's been pouring the last hour. It's kind of settled. But yeah, we're going to check out some waterfalls. Should be pretty good. It's been pouring down here a lot, so there should be a lot of water. So it should look really nice. Let's go. Sounds impressive. Oh, there's a bit of water. So we're going to do the whole loop. Rain's raining, but it's not raining. And we're tough. So it's a good little track here. But yeah, beautiful view. Lots of water. I'll have a look down the bottom, it should be pretty cool. Up we go to the suspension bridge. This is not my thing, as you all know. Okay, this is not cool. It's not cool. How cool is that, mate? Can I make it? I'm not even halfway yet.